Rotating shaft seals on late-model engines are frequently made of PTFE. They offer superior sealing and long life, but require special procedures for a successful installation. Let's follow our certified technician, Victoria, as she installs a PTFE rotating shaft seal. In this case, a camshaft front seal. Similar methods would apply to other shaft seals, including rear main bearing seals, sometimes also called crankshaft seals. First, be sure you've selected the correct Victor Reinz seal for the application. Remove components necessary to gain access to the seal. If necessary, use a seal puller to carefully remove the old seal without damaging the sealing surface of the shaft. If the part number on the old seal can be preserved intact, it may come in handy for any later questions regarding the seal. Carefully clean the shaft and all exposed surfaces. Inspect for any debris on the shaft or damage to its surface. Before installing the new seal, be certain that the shaft is clean, oil-free, and not grooved. At this point, you'll encounter the major difference between installing a PTFE seal on a rotating shaft versus installing a rubber seal. Whereas rubber seals require that their sealing lip be lightly oiled before installation, a PTFE seal must never have the sealing surface lubricated during installation. Lubricant would prevent it from conforming properly to the shaft, resulting in leaks or failure. The new seal should be placed in position using any installation aids provided. It must be installed firmly in place, exactly perpendicular to the shaft. The superior characteristics of PTFE seals, self-lubrication, temperature resistance, and contamination exclusion, are well worth the extra care required for their installation. Reinstall other components, start the engine, and check for leaks. The vehicle should now be ready for many miles, or kilometers, of leak-free operation.